Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to allow calling you only by specific contacts on the Telegram app for PC. With the latest update, Telegram has made it even easier to control who can reach you through calls, giving you more privacy and flexibility. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen, where you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to reveal the main menu. From here, head down to the option called Settings. Inside Settings, you're going to find a section labeled Privacy and Security. This is the area where you can manage how visible and reachable you are on Telegram, and it's where you'll find the tools to control who gets to call you. Next, look for the option called Calls. Go ahead and select it. Here you'll find several choices about who can and cannot contact you through calls. By default, it might be set to Everyone or My Contacts. For more control, make sure you choose My Contacts. This way, only the people you've saved in your contact list can reach you by call. Now, if you want to allow calls from only certain people, this is where the new update becomes especially useful. On the Calls page, you'll notice a section labeled Always Allow with the option to add users. Click on that button. A list of your contacts will appear. From here, scroll through, choose the users you'd like to allow, and once you're done selecting, click Save. Telegram will update your settings instantly, but just to be sure, confirm the action when prompted. And that's it. You've now customized your Telegram app so calls can only come through from the specific contacts you trust. This feature is great for keeping your communication circle smaller and helps you avoid distractions or unwanted interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring more privacy options in Telegram's settings to make your account even more secure. Thanks for following along.